I'm good. How are you?
I am great. I am great. I am great. Let's see if we get our stream up and running. So far, it's looking pretty darn good. Excellent. Excellent. We got the chat room running. We got nobody in the chat room yet, but hopefully we'll get somebody soon. So how are you doing today? How was your day?
How's that burger?
What kind of burger is that?
Oh, the nothing burger Powell gave you.
The nothing burger Powell gave. He gave us a great big pile of nothing. Didn't he?
Absolutely. Big disappointment.
Absolutely.
I was waiting for a big down and I got nothing.
I mean, it was absolutely nothing. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. You know what I want to do? I want to open up a little file I've got over here. All right.
The S&P hit 7,000.
The S&P at 7,000. You got to be kidding me.
Mm-hmm.
You see where it says somewhere over there that it might say my ideas for videos? Show ideas. There it is. Great. That's what I wanted to see. All right. Okay. Very good. So if you've not worked with us before, my name is Rob. This is Maria. We trade every single day for the last, 2,154 days, but who's counting? But who's counting? We trade with options Omega. Well, we trade with Tasty Trade and with Schwab, but we run, I do 0 DTEs every single day, around 150 of them a day, about 30,000 a year or so. And Maria trades the wheel strategy and earnings plays. You got a couple of earnings trades that we are working on today.
Naked puts.
Naked puts, and you also do naked puts. That's right. And let's take a quick look at where is the market. First of all, this is where we are, and I actually didn't put on any trades today because it was Federal Reserve Day, Powell. So we got an opportunity to talk quite a bit today about the various stuff in the market that people want to talk about, but I did put it on for 1551. So at 3:51 today, and we got a new handy dandy clock behind us so that we now.
So the countdown will be correct.
So we can see the time. Look at that, it's 15:33 on the time. And we're supposed to look up there, by the way.
I am.
Oh, okay, very good. And at Options Omega, this shows you how we've been doing. We made 383,000 since October 1st. As you can see, we made about 11,000 trades now and a capture rate of about 13.2%. So that's pretty darn good. So we run a $1 million account, which is going to be around 120 trades a day, 150 trades a day. And that's what this particular one is. We also run a $30,000 account where it's just 6 trades a day, 7 trades if you count the gambler special at 1551. And now that one is
I think that's increasing though. Aren't you going to go up to 8 since the...
It is. Yeah, it is. Let's see if I can drag this. I'm going to drag this down here just a little bit. There we go. So here is that account. As you can see, it's up about $11,000. Pretty good on a $30,000 account.
12, yeah.
Yeah, since October 6th. Note the capture rate's a lot less. This one is just running multiple entry iron condors. These are all 95% stop losses, all 50 wides. And so we release our trades every Sunday now, at 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. Every Sunday at 6 at the market open. Mm-hmm. So if you're interested in those, no one else on the internet does that. We're going to give you all of the $30,000 account trades absolutely for free. And then for the big account, the $1 million fund, we don't give you all 120. We give them like 20 of them or so. Mm-hmm. But the 20 best ones, so still pretty good. Did you ask how we've done monthly?
No, I can.
Would you?
I will. How did we do monthly?
I'm glad you asked. Here we are. Here it is for October. You can see we made 97,000. We try and make 50 grand a month. Maybe that'll be about a 60% rate of return. Pardon me. We got 100,000 in October. We had 71,000 in November. We had 150,000 in December on a short month. That's pretty good. And then so far this year we're up 66,000, but we've only done 2,800 trades so far this particular year. So since January 1st. So I'm going to see if I can also take a look at the Tasty Trade platform. We also run something called the Crazy Ivan, which is a NQ trade that I've been doing, but I have been closing those out in mass quantities.
I think you closed out some 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning last night, no?
Yes, yeah, I did. And you can see those here. Put those over there. So you can see these are the ones I've been trading that I've been closing out. And I've got one here at 58%. I think maybe what I'll do is I can just close one of these live. Actually, you know what? I got 5,000 extrinsic. Maybe I'll keep that.
It's 58. I'd keep it.
58%. I'll keep that on there. All right. Let's see if I can't figure out how to.
I think I have a couple that are sitting there at
70.
My
God. Look at the chat room. Lucky Proof Investor, we see you. Dazzy, Noreen. We see Porsche Guy is in there. AG4, Dazzy. And let's read some of these now. Did you compare Trade Automation Toolbox and Option Omega before Automate? Yes, we did. We looked at a bunch of automation tools. Look, so for people that don't know, what we do is we run back tests, millions and millions of back tests, 7 on every single Sunday. So we're going to run 390 minutes. So there's 390 minutes in a trading day. We're going to run all 390 minutes. We're going to run it for both exponential moving averages, the 20 versus the 40. We're also going to do multiple entry iron condors. We're going to look at different stop losses. We're going to look at different wing widths. We're going to look at different entry times, and we're going to look at different premium points. So the combination, I think we added up the other day, it was about 95 million trades. If you take it back to every 7 minutes, it turns out to be about 20 million trades. And then what we do is we take all those trades and we put them in. And by the way, someone told me the other day, he said, you do more back testing every single week than any trader I know of has done in a lifetime. So it is kind of crazy, the number that we're doing. So that actually speaks to the volume of the information that we're gathering. So then what we do is we put that into AI, and Maria and I worked for about a year to build our AI system, which we call Vera. And then on September 23rd, we upgraded that to Vera 2.0. And she not only works with Maria to do all Maria's trades and Tyler, our son's trades. He's a 30-year-old who does a lot of scalping, wheel strategy, and that kind of stuff. But it also takes all of those back tests and it spits out the top 250 trades. Then those come to me. I whittle those down. I put them back in for risk tolerance, because I'm fond of saying if you have $10 million and I have $1 million and we're both investing $1 million, your risk tolerance is a lot greater than my risk tolerance. I don't have any risk tolerance because that's the only money I have. Whereas you don't care if you lose $1 million. So, and we run that back through there. Then we put them on the bots on Options Omega. And what we like about Options Omega is this: when you build the strategies, you don't have to translate that into the bot. You can build the strategy and then put it right into the bot. It's really easy. It's a lot more diverse. It's a lot more robust. There's a lot more opportunities for different types of trades. They just added, not only do they have opening range breakout, but they have the not opening range breakout, which is kind of cool. And we met with them today and talked about some additional stock tickers that we want them, because you specifically were kind of beating them up a little bit, saying we want this, that, or the other stock ticker in there. And they were very confident.
Vera does plenty for me.
I understand, but it'd be nice if you could back test it. It'd be nice, right?
She does everything. She's great.
She does. And we did a nice
video. You got to watch her.
Yeah. Hallucinations are still in there. Hallucinations. All right, let's take a look at the chart.
To answer your question on the FOMC trade today, it was a big nothing burger, so nothing happened with him.
Yeah, it was a nothing burger. I took all my trades off today, and I wish I'd left them in. I don't know. That's maybe a little unfair. There's a couple of M's in there, but I think it would have been okay. I mean, look, if you look at this, I bet I would have got wiped out in here, to tell you the truth, now that I look at it. So I guess I was smarter than I thought. Is that what I meant to say? Mm-hmm. Probably not. Because look at this. So you would have dumped on all the puts would have been pushed out to this side. Then we would have gone on, and you know what? It probably would have got wiped out in this. And then you went up here and back down here. I don't know what the heck I'm doing leaving these on. What is the official time? You ask. Well, look right behind us. It's 15:30. I can see that. That's pretty cool. 15:39. You got that? That is very cool. There goes a dog. All right. Now let's do this. Let's go ahead and you want to put on a trade for your?
Well, I do have two earnings CLS trades that I've been holding off.
This is my account, but we'll just trade it in my account. I don't care. What do you want to see? What do you want to do with CLS?
Let's start with the CLS.
All right. What's the date?
I'm always in and out of CLS.
All right.
They just pay good.
Yeah. What is CLS? I don't even know.
Picks and shovels, Celeste.
They're the ones that give you all the tools for the AI companies.
Yes.
Okay. So what are we going to do? Sell some premium, I guess?
We're going to sell a naked put at 280.
What's the strike?
February 13th.
February 13th, 16 days out. 280. You want to sell a put at 280. Done. That's $4, $450. Oh, look at that.
No, look, there's a spread there.
Oh my God. Okay,
so
13.
Try and get a little more. How much time we have?
We got. I'm glad.
The closer to 4, the better.
Okay.
I think sometimes works out that way.
All right. Well, we can hold on to it. Are you going to do a naked put, or are you going to put in a naked put? So it's going to be only $8,000 buying power. You pick up $545.
That's for a week. What is it?
For a week, yeah.
2 weeks, 16 days.
If you get good earnings today, 16 days, you're still going to get the IV crush. So.
Yeah. And it gives you time to move it if you need to.
The nice thing about, if you're not familiar with Tasty, the nice thing is this brown thing here in the middle. I don't know if you can see it.
That's the expected move.
That's the expected move. They also hide it up here. So the expected move is $52. And so if it's trading at 340, I mean, you're well outside the expected move is right here. What, 292 something?
Yeah, and checking the dark pool, there's been no major ins and no major outs. It's pretty much steady. So it's not pointing in any direction. That's the cool thing about Vera. She looks at a dark pool and she looked at. I mean, you can look up yourself, but it just takes a lot longer. A lot of time a dark pool, you have to pay whales and you have to pay cheddar flow and you got to pay.
Really?
And then you have to try and figure out their charts, which is not easy to begin with, because I would have to take that chart and upload it to Vera, and then she would tell me what it meant, really.
Sure.
So cheddar flow, I mean, not cheddar flow, but Vera maybe a day or so. Something they don't give you all the information. They hold a lot of this information back, and Vera may get a day or so that's lagging, which is fine. Some information is better than none.
Sure.
So I like it.
Great. By the way, if you like more Maria in these, we're trying to get her to come on more than just once a week. So if you want to see Tyler in the show, put it in the. God, look at all these people. All right, we're talking about minimum premium.
Are you going to wait? Why don't you put the price in what you want, and then we can change it as you go along.
Okay. What we do with the multiple entry iron condors is that I'm going to go ahead and put this back over. With the multiple entry iron condors is we are going to ask for the certain price. So if this was a multiple entry iron condor and I was going for, say $2, I would be looking for between 160 and 265. So I would pick the 160. And that's the way the robot does it. But imagine at 1551, we're going to be putting on 6 different trades. They're all going to be exponential moving averages. So the bots all at the same time will have to figure out, is the 20 more than the 40, 40 more than the 20?
That has nothing to do with the CLS I'm trying to put on right now.
Sorry. What is it? 280, got it? And this is just straight naked, right?
Straight naked.
How much
so
credit
try
do you
and
want?
get some more.
Like 585?
Yeah, 590, try.
$590.
You know what, get a little more. Try $6 and we can move it.
$6. The lady wants $600. $600, ladies and gentlemen.
With CLS, they sometimes
boom, filled. How about that?
See that?
Filled right on the get-go.
I should have went for more. See,
you want a little more? You want another one? You want another one? Holy cow, look at that. I can't believe you got a fill. That's great.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Woulda, coulda, shoulda. The triumphant. Wow, how about that? This is live trading, folks. Live trading. We told you you'd get it, and now you are. In just a minute, we're going to do 6 trades all at once. What's another one you wanted to do?
Oh, I had
Is that
Meta.
Microsoft tonight or no?
No, Microsoft is, but I just don't.
You didn't like it?
I'm not a fan.
You're not feeling it? You know what? Let's just look at Microsoft and figure out why you didn't like it. MSFT. Let's take a look-see. So, say, what are you trading on the other one? You're trading short time, right? 9 days?
I did 14 or what did
14. Okay, 14. So
the other one was 16,
here,
actually.
That was, let's say if you're going to be out here like, oh, that's nothing. It's chump change. Wait a second. That's all you're getting?
Well, look how close. Well, go back. I can't see it.
Yeah, I can't
I was looking. I already have some naked on here. I have a 430 and a 440. The only way I can make any decent money on this was 450, and I don't want to do right outside the brown.
That's ridiculous. $297 for $6,000 in buying power. No, thank you. No, thank you. All right. So, and I'm not doing anything on this. I got 58%. I was supposed to get at 50, but at 25%. But
maybe if I didn't have those other positions, I may have considered it even more.
Gotcha.
But,
So, okay, we got nothing going on yet. So
Meta
let's take.
is next.
Oh, you want Meta? Okay. It would have been great if we'd rehearsed this or written something down in advance instead of just.
Well, I was supposed to do this, but.
We were working on the clock. For those of you just joining us,
Are we up?
We got to push the clock. See our little clock, 1544. Look at that. All right, tasty trade. What is it? Meta. I got it.
I was going to do a
I'm sorry, what date?
February 2nd. A little closer in time.
5 days. Me likey. And little gambling.
Do a 625.
Ooh, 625. $620. Oh, look how tight that is, too. That's great. 19 Delta. Now, you notice Maria is right here. She's dancing with the devil here. That's the expected move. But Meta's going to go.
I don't know.
Is it going to go up? It's one of these stocks where they got great earnings, great.
Well, the same thing here. There's no dark pool is the same. It's neutral.
Flat. They're not showing their cards. Well, what do you think?
Dark pool activity has been steady with no surge of institutional selling. No sign of distribution, no pullbacks. So,
okay, people say they're asking, do you close yours at 25%, and they want to see more of your trades? We have to go on Friday. Maybe we'll show you.
I don't do 25%, honestly. I try and get at least 50.
She's greedy. She's very greedy. Don't tell anybody. You're very greedy.
But it also depends on what's going on in the market and depends how many of them I have.
Yes.
Depends on my buying power. There's a lot of little variations.
And
yes.
Truth be known, you make a lot more money than I do.
Nah, I'd say we're both the same.
Same. All right. So let's do this. What do you? This is all going on my account, so you're making me money. If you make $625, I'll buy you dinner.
Oh, go to 630 then. No.
All right. So I'm gonna put this on for 6. Should we go?
No.
Well, you know they're not taking 630. Okay. For those of you that don't know,
it's only 10.
This is the bid and the ask, right? So this is what's being bid, and this is what's being asked. And so, we're trying to get the most money possible, right? We're look down here, look for the credits. We're trying to get 620. Ooh, this is moving up a little bit because we're getting closer.
I would go 630. Yeah, as you get closer to probably
Should
4
I put it at
o'clock.
635 and just sit there and say what you want?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, all right. So we'll put that out there, 635. Oh, by the way, I didn't even look. What was the number we put in? At $625, and so that's going to use $10,000 in buying power and getting $630. That's great, and it's only for 5 days. I mean, if it goes up tonight, tomorrow we'll go in there and we'll get out of there for $1, right? And so we make $500. It's great.
I have it 5 days. If you want to get out at 25% or whatever it is tomorrow, if it's if you make money, just get out.
You know what? And wait,
I would probably
wait. Hold on a second. Meta's trading at 671. I don't even watch these stocks anymore. 671. If you can buy it at 625 tomorrow, plus you're getting $6 credit, I'd buy it. You're talking about almost a $50 discount
And it's
to the market.
lowest. Yeah, it's
I'll take that all day long. Meta, are you kidding me? Did you see that Trump and Zuckerberg were talking, and Zuckerberg told him they're building a data center the size of Manhattan?
Well, that's the whole idea. Is they want to make sure that these data centers make money.
Oh,
that's all the investors want to see at this report.
That's ridiculous. Remember when we lived in New York, that snowstorm, and we got an Uber, and the Uber driver, we said, well, we want to go all the way down to the village from Central Park West, and the Uber driver said, start your clock on your phone. We're going to get down there in 8 minutes. And we're like, no way. It's a 40-minute drive, easy. As
with traffic.
There was nobody on the streets, and he thought that lights were just kind of a suggestion. He just went right through. It was unbelievable. I have that video somewhere. I have to bring it out. So, all right. So, are we going to do another one or what? Still
That's all I have.
Okay.
There's earnings. I'm not going to do them all in one night. I mean, there's the whole month.
No, yeah. Well, you and by the way, this is something that's important. You want to put them. Look at this. Not a single SPX today. You don't want to put them on earlier than the day of the earnings, right? Preferably last 15 minutes, right? No.
If it's depends on whether or not it's directional.
For the earnings play, all right. But neither one of these are.
No.
You're just thinking. We love the puts. And by the way, if you can't do a naked put. Well, what we should show, let's show that what happens if, let's say, someone says, well, I don't have 10,000 buying power. A lot of people don't. There's no shame in that. No shame in that at all. So let's go to
the defined risk, but I find it doesn't really pay.
Yeah, but honey, a lot of people don't have that kind of money, so they don't have the buying power. So what the heck? So if you just put this in here, look, okay, 50 cents, that's granted. But let's say you want to cut your buying power to $1,200. You still make $260.
But $260 and you possibly could lose $1,200.
I understand, but on yours, what is it? On yours, it's...
Well, mine, if I lose, I get the stock. And then I could at least do
Well, they get the stock, too, if they want. They can. I mean, they can get the stock if they want, so... All right, so what do we got here? We got on our time check. Let's see where we are. Oh, we got 2 minutes, 1 minute and 15. That's got the seconds on it. That's awesome. All right, so let's get back to Tasty Trade. We're going to let's take a look at the SPX. We're going to see this come on because we don't have a darn thing on here.
I don't see the questions, do you?
Oh, yeah, the questions right here. We got the clock. Maria got the clock here. All right. Did you put on your usual FOMC trades? We did not put on our FOMC trades today, not on purpose, but because we were trying to get videos out.
No, I didn't because there was nothing going on. It didn't drop enough for me to put a naked put on.
Yeah, it has to go all over the place. Is one kind of. I put on a video about how I like to do it. When it goes, he starts talking, it goes down, then it goes back. It goes, reverses.
But it wasn't enough down.
It wasn't enough. No, it was not enough. So, all right. So let's take a look at. We're going to watch these come on. So any second now, I'm expecting. Let's clear this off the board. This is our SPX. What's the time, Rob? How do you decide to place trades at Schwab versus Tasty? Is one backup of the other? Guessing you have two OO accounts. Okay. Another great thing about Options Omega, they let you put on multiple accounts. and you can have up to 100 executions a day, which is how they kind of count things. So it gives you plenty of room to do plenty of trades. And so, oh, here we go. Look at this. All right, 16 of them. Oh, look at this. We got 1,600. Oh, we got 16 plays at, what is it? We're getting fills at, let's not look at the, we got filled at $2.10 on all of them. And by the way, I was changing it today. Yesterday, I got some fills at like 45 cents. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I'm not doing trades for 45 bucks. That's nuts and taking the same risk.
How did you change it?
Well, I found out Options Omega, which I never used before. They have a minimum premium setup. So you can ask for a minimum premium. I put it down for $1. Okay, these are 69.80s. Let's take a look at our handy dandy chart and see where we are for 69.80s. Gonna get over to our chart. Here we are. Where is 69.80? Let's squeeze this bad boy down. 69.80 is gonna be. We want this to be. We're on the call side. We want it to be under 69.81. I need to make this wider.
Yeah.
Let's make this more exciting.
Make it.
Well, I'm trying. Let me get this down to 69.80s right about there. Boom. Okay. Now, going to bring this up, smush this in, and we might as well make this so we can really see. This is Tasty Trade's charting system, by the way. There we go. How's that?
Good.
And look at this. I want to make you bigger so I can see you.
I don't need to be bigger.
Every girl says that. Every guy doesn't. Uh-oh. This is supposed to be a family show. All right, so here we go. We want this bad boy. Okay, so we're looking at, just so you can see the Tasty Trade chart, right? This is where we are. This is the only trades we want. In order for this thing to get down to, we want this 225 to get down to 0. We need this thing to go up. That's not the right direction. We need it to go up, right? And so it needs to close above 69.80. That's where we want 69.80. We want it to go above 69.80, and we're right tickling the ivories on that freaking thing. So here it is. Oh yeah, we're over. Come on.
Not by much. Just sit there, big boy.
Well, will we ever show our son trading the NQ futures scalping?
Oh. He has to have a haircut first.
Yes.
And he has to be all prettied up. I'm teasing.
Yeah, he's your baby child, so unfortunately for him, he gets a lot of assistance from his mother. Look at this, honey. Look at this. I got to get back. We're supposed to be watching these things.
I can't see it.
Look, it's up. Look, it's up. We're over. Come on, baby. Come on.
Well, you still got 7 minutes.
I know. Where's our official clock? There it is right there, 15:50. Look at that, right there. I can't believe that. Boom, clock. Boom, chart.
Over?
Yeah, but then I can't see this. I can't see the chat room. I can't see the chat room. Oh, this. How about like that? Perfect. Minimum premium is at the least amount of premium we will take for each spread. So the way this works is, again, multiple entry iron condor. So I'm going to say $2 multiple entry iron condor. That means $2 is on the short leg on the call, and $2 you're trying to get on the short leg on the put. And so in real life, it's not going to be at $2. It's going to be like $1.95 or $1.50 or whatever. And so the way Options Omega does it, the first thing it does is goes a nickel under your target, then a nickel over, then a dime under, then a dime over, then a 15 cents. Imagine trying to do that in real time. And I have it set to try it every 7 seconds because I'm greedy and I want to just give it a second.
I remember before the bots, I used to try and do that.
It was impossible.
Frustrating as heck.
Yeah, it was really hard. And then if you try to do exponential moving averages at the same time, you had to have on your chart the red and remember I had those red and green lines, and we used to do it. Mm-hmm. I mean, that was ages ago, and I think that was only like a year ago. I hate to say it. I think maybe it was 2 years ago, but it wasn't. Now we're below. Doggone it! Come on, get back up there. You know what? We ought to take a look at, and it would be interesting to see is where are we? Do we have live trading up here anywhere? Let's see if I got all these charts. Here is the live trading for today. Is this it? Yes, here we go. Okay. So if you want to see where we are, here's we are for today. We didn't make very many trades. These are both the Schwab and the non-Schwab accounts together. So we're down $205, but that's okay. So you can see where it is. We want this thing to go up right there. It's right there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now we're going up. What is the official time? This is the best way to see it. 1550.
Still got
Will
5
this never end? Come on. Well, coming up to 1556. Let's go to the chart again. Come on. Now it's coming back down. Or is it going up? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. No, it's up.
Can you put working up there so we can see if that other one gets taken?
Oh, yes. You mean over here on tasting?
In the gutter. In the gutter.
And what do you want? All
Working.
symbols?
Yeah, all symbols.
Oh,
gutter.
just the working. Okay. It must have gotten filled.
Okay.
Let's see here. You got Meta and a CLS. So Meta got filled.
Got filled.
You
see?
want another one or no?
No. That's
Come
enough.
on.
One's enough for me. No, we got a whole month full of these things
Okay.
going.
Are we going to have to stay on here till 4:15? I would love to, but I don't know what I can talk about.
I can't imagine you ever be quiet.
7 minutes is a long time for a guy to perform, they say in the chat room. We're just going to let that. I don't like the way you laughed at that. You're supposed to hesitate and say, oh, not my guy. He's a... So, all right, here we go. So now where we got on time.
You went below 980.
We're short on the 6980 calls. That's right. Short on the 6980 calls. So actually we're short on the 6980 calls, so we want it to be under 6980. Is that right? We want it to be under 6980. That's what we want. I was cheering for it to go the wrong way. No, that's right. No, that is wrong. I get it backwards.
You do get it backwards.
I get it backwards. Now we want it to go under. I was cheering for it to go the wrong way. Can you imagine? What a dope I am. All right, well, now let's get it to go down. It doesn't look like it's going to, though. It looks like it's going the wrong way. And that is why the easy way to tell is you go here and say, oh, now we're up to $265. Come on, baby. Which direction we want it to go? Somebody talk to me. Now it's still trading at $250, $260, $270, $240. It must be coming down. So it's trading at
50.
Yeah, so it's trading at 682. We want it to be under 6980. I can't believe I was thinking we had puts 210, 185. There we go. There we go. That's what we want. And look, Options Omega will reflect that. Options Omega is only going to update once every minute. So it will be a little bit behind on some of these. So this thing is dropping. This is pretty sweet. So let's make this even bigger. Let's make this even bigger so we can get a little more excitement out of it. Whoa.
No, let's not do that.
There we go. How about that? We just wanted to get below this line. And I don't know if we're going to make it. I got to tell you. I'm getting a little bit concerned that is not going to make it into the barn today. We need this thing to drop. We need a precipitous drop. We still got the moves on the close. And so we'll see where we are here. We're down about $465. It looks like we're at what time? That is not the official time. The official time is 3:58 and 56 seconds. That is pretty close, actually. You know what? It's exactly right. How do we do that? We got 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go.
Oh, forget about it.
Oh no. That is where we're gonna get destroyed here. We are gonna get destroyed.
Oh.
Where's our stop loss? Didn't kick in. That's interesting. 210, $235 negative times 16. That's $3,200. That's not good. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 30 seconds, 29 seconds. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Here we go. 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. 20 seconds. Who's counting? 20 seconds to go.
No!
Oh, yes!
Oh, no,
Come on down! Come on down, you dirty dog! Come on down! Yes! Right there! Come on down! Come on down! 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Are you kidding me? Don't let anybody tell you that trading stocks is not exciting. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Okay, now go to...
Now we got to watch the meta. We got to watch the meta. Are you? Oh my gosh, I'm kind of excited. We're not supposed to get excited, are we? Look at this. Look at this, honey. Looks like we're going to be able to buy a dog at T-bone steak tonight. $3,600.
That's on one. That is just the one you did.
That's the only one I did. Yeah, that's on both accounts. That's on Schwab and... Now, here, you want to see a fun thing? Look at this. You can go in here and say, let's just sort it in Schwab only. And boom, boom, ba-doom, which is our small... So a small account, you guys made $325. And look at that, because you got no losers. We just did one EMA, and that's a nice thing. And then we go back here and
I can't believe it moved that much. That was funny.
And on the $1 million account, what do? We got 3,280, $3,280. How about that? You can't believe that. You cannot believe that. That's awesome. All right. Okay. But most importantly, again, I keep telling you that I don't care about the every day. It's hard to say that after what just happened and my childlike reaction. This is why when I was gambling, I never watched sporting events for the same reason. So, all right. So look at this. So now we got to add that 3. So still, this is what I like to look at. I like to look at the monthlies. You know, this is 4 months worth of trades, and that's what's more important to me.
So let's go get a meta chart up and.
Okay, let's get a meta chart up. Let's go over to Tasty Trade. Oh, you know what we do? I can do it right here. So you really want to see what's going on? Let's go ahead and put this into what do we got? Meta and CLS. Yeah. Meta, I think usually reports at 4:15. So, and this is not giving us after hours. So unfortunately, this is not going to give us the best way. The absolute best way to watch
the Meta. Yeah.
The best way to watch it is to look at the. Whoop! Hey, if that's Zuckerberg, tell him I don't have time to talk right now. You better have this bad boy going up.
Meta down $40.
Meta down $40.
Down 40 already? They called it?
Ooh. META.
He doesn't have it up.
That's not on my screen. Meta. And.
Oh, it is right there.
666. What'd you put it in at?
Oh, 666.
666, and you're in at 625.
I know, but it's
You're
not.
still
the end
golden.
Of it. Yeah, but I still got 5 days, 2 days, whatever.
Yeah, get out tomorrow. I don't know what. I don't know.
Is that the end of it though?
No.
No, it's.
Reach out.
It's just. That's just the preliminary when they go up and down. Like
Here it is. It's trading at 640. It ended at 666. It's trading at
44,
645, 645. And you were in it at, what's your number? Or your number's over here. You're in it at 625. You're fine.
Yeah.
It's at 641. I mean, you're fine. You still got plenty of wiggle room.
Juice.
Actually, I hate to tell you this, but that's me, not you. Yes. You gave me a winner. I told you you're a better trader than me.
See if CLS called it.
Okay, CLS. Let's see what they got. CLS, don't be fooled. This is what it was trading at. This is what it's trading at right now, 342. I'm guessing those earnings haven't come in.
You need to go to the chart.
Yeah, but the chart doesn't show. Maybe it will. They're not showing the.
Meta's bouncing around 640 right now.
Meta's bouncing around 640. A little birdie told me. This is a 15-minute chart. Let's take this around. 640 is fine. What's our number? 625. My number, I should say.
Yeah, but it's not.
It's not.
There's no which way to go yet. So.
Right.
Again, we can't say who that is, but you can get.
You can't do anything till tomorrow anyway. This
Right,
thing's going up.
And CLS hasn't gotten the back
Nothing.
yet.
CLS. This is CLS. There
I
you go.
think CLS is going to take 20, 30 minutes to do something.
20, 30 minutes, a little bit. We're at 280. It's not even in the picture. I mean, it's not even in the picture if we down there. So
That's why I do it.
all right, let's take a look at Meta on this chart. Look at this. Meta's dropped, but that's okay. Where's our number? Our number is at I don't even know why I say our. It's my number, not your number. So is this where you do the drawings? No. I'm not good with these charts.
You're not going to know until tomorrow.
No, I'm not going to know until tomorrow. But this is okay. I mean, my number is here, 625. I mean, that's great.
Because, the first things people do in the morning is they cash out.
Yeah, well, that's fine. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to be cashing out for sure. But at 625, I'm fine with that. So let's go over here to CLS and see what we got here. CLS. Tyler, has that number come out yet?
Not yet. It's probably going to be 15, 20 minutes at least.
That much longer?
Yeah, they don't do it right away.
But I think Meta just dropped, but people are still going through it to figure out if it's good or bad kind of thing.
Right. They haven't started talking yet. But once they start talking.
Yeah, it's one. It can drop $20 and go up all of a sudden $50.
Right.
Yeah. So.
All right.
All right. What's going on in the chat here? what did we put in for the minimum premium at the 1551s? We went in over for $2.10. If you look over here, you can see there were 3 trades, a five lot for 210, a 4 lot for 210, and a 3 lot for 210. Oh, and a 4 lot. So we did 4 trades, and they were, I think, let me look over here and see what they were. They were EMAs at $1.80, $2.25, and $3. Looks like there are 2 of them for $2.25. Oh, I see what it is. Okay, so it's $1.80, 90% stop loss, $2.25 at 90% stop loss, $2.25 at 185% stop loss, and $3 at 90% stop loss, and none of them got taken. So we were okay. Okay, CLS is dropping here. Tyler, has it come out yet? No, it's still real wide. It's a 5 wide bid and ask up here. So I am highly confident that has not come out yet.
It did drop $6, but it's one of those things where
you don't know yet. You don't know yet. And we're at 280, so yeah, well, let me tell you, a Porsche guy, when you're sitting here looking at this, it's not Maria, it's me, because she traded my account today. Meta, 40-point bar. Wow, really? No kidding. Let's go. This was cool. Wow, awesome. It's more in a day than I made in a year. All right, so let's take a look here and see what's going on. Look at CLS is, look at Tyler's right. Look at this. It's bouncing around back and forth.
Yeah.
These kids, they know.
Microsoft,
wow, look at that. This is why we didn't do Microsoft.
Well, it's
still, what was your number? Where's your cheat sheet?
450 was my number. And I said, remember, I had a 430 and a 440.
Let me see the sheet. Is that really true?
Here. I already have a 440 and a 430.
Yeah, we didn't want to trade
and I didn't want to do it because this is Micron. These are the other ones I have coming up in case you're wondering. AMD, CoreWeave, and MU.
And these are all your reports from you and Vera put these together?
But I'm still waiting for it's still another couple of weeks.
We had one on Microsoft, but
it's not here.
We decided not to shoot. We shot the video last night, and then you threw it away.
It was 450.
It was 450.
Yes, and I didn't want to have a third
450.
one.
It's at 450 and 50. It's at 452. You've been changing your underwear. Look at this. When it went down to 445, that wouldn't have been fun.
No, that's why.
That's why. Yeah. Okay. So CLS still just.
I'm just sitting there.
Just sitting there.
That's fine.
Yeah. It's not doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's the end of the show for today. We will be back again. Are you coming in tomorrow at 3:30?
Any final questions here for somebody? We have to make those questions bigger.
Yeah. See, Maria is short put at 625. So as long as it stays above that, she's good. That is correct. That is absolutely correct. What did you put your minimum premium? I told you that. Hearing Maria's thought process, I'm learning from it. Oh, good. Yeah, we need more of your thought process.
Me too.
So let's see what else we got here. Anything else before the 1608? Tyler, you'd think that, are you sure CLS hasn't reported? I'd like to get that number before we go.
Oh, they'll watch it.
Yeah, but it'd be fun if we could hit it out of the ballpark again.
Well, tomorrow, there's so many ways that can go because you still got time. So
yeah,
even
it's
if
not
it
just
doesn't,
tonight.
it's not just tonight. So
yeah,
you got
Could be
days.
tomorrow.
So whatever.
If you guys like these, let us know. We love doing them. I love doing them. I love doing them with you. It's much more fun when you're here. But we got to prepare more. That's what we're going to do tomorrow. Okay. All right. Very good. Anything else before we go?
That's it.
New set, new lighting, new camera, new clock.
Except
Same
he
light?
buys all these Amazon boxes, has to put all these things together, and he doesn't do it. So
There's
the chat room. Tell him to put it together.
Yeah, that's exactly right. How much is Vera? Vera is free.
$20.
Oh, that's right, $20.
$20 Vera.
You don't pay us, but we don't make anything on it.
No. We pay Vera Chat GPT.
It's Chat GPT. We built it. Maria just started off. Okay, how it started is it all started because I like to go surfing every day. And Maria said, "Will you stay here and help me with, figure out these stocks I don't know anything about?" I said, "No, I will not. You need to,
So every time
she asked me, and I tell her, and she'd get pissed.
Every time a stock symbol or they would talk about stocks, I didn't know anything about the stock. So I said, he's gone. So I said, nobody to ask but chat. So I would just type in all this, give me all this information. I want the earnings patterns. I want the ratings, a bunch of it, dark pool, all this information. I asked her for it. And believe it or not, she kept doing it. And finally, I just made a report that every time I type in a symbol, whatever it is, this is the standard information she'll give me. So that's what we do. And then from there, and then what happens, how it grows, is after every time she gives you information, she says, well, would you like me to do this for you? I'm like, wow, I didn't even know you can do that. Yes, include that. And that's how it grows from there. So after about 6 months to a year, I got like the perfect report.
And still you keep changing it because every time I look at it, it's different.
Every time I still change it. Well, she's still telling me I can do this, I can do that. And I'm saying, well, do it. Don't tell me, just do it.
Tell them real quickly. I would love to tell them the Motley Fool story.
Oh my God. So I get this advertisement week after week. Motley Fool. Oh, we have this great stock. We want you to join so we can tell you the next greatest stock coming. Same story every time. But they give you little hints within the story. It did this, it did that. It's better than the video. So I highlight the whole advertisement. I take that and I input it into chat. This for the hell of it. She comes back to me. She says, oh, yeah. This is the normal advertisement for Motley Fool. And the stock they're talking about is, and she tells me every time the stock that they're talking about.
For free.
It's crazy. So it's really eye-opening.
This guy's saying meta to the moon. And someone asked, how did the small account do today? It's not good enough for us to tell you. We like to show you. And so here it is. It made $195. It put on a...
Meta's up $30 now, just like I said.
Great.
Meta up $30. Saying, yeah. Great. Really? Up $30?
It went down 20, now up 30.
Down 20, up 30.
It went down 20, up 50. Literally what I was just...
Oh, my God.
So it's up 30 total.
Great.
Tyler calls it. Tyler is a great predictor of what's going to go on in the future. I am not. I'm not a predictor. And Tyler is great at scalping the NQs. If you would like to see Tyler scalp the NQs, say so in the chat. Say so in the Discord. If you haven't been to our Discord, please go there. All the links are in our videos.
You could actually see him sweating. No.
No, he's not sweating, but he
gets hairy.
It's hairy. I don't have the stomach for it, but he loves it. Young people, 30, they can do it. So on the Schwab, we had a multiple entry iron condor. It was a $2.25, 50 wide, and it got filled at $2.18 on the call side and $2.83 on the put side. And then, it didn't get punched out. So it won on both sides and made $195. So
CLS is still doing nothing.
And CLS is still not. Tyler should provide the indicators or type of charts he uses. Tyler, how do you do those NQs? What do you look at?
Just on the Trader 2.
I'll work on something.
You take it. He's got
a
an 8-ball and he turns it over and looks at the bottom. So
I believe it's just on Tasty. They do the Trader 2.
And there's another person saying, I want Tyler NQ. Another one says, I want Tyler NQ. Tyler should provide the indicators or type of charts he uses. Wow, we created a monster. Are we waiting on Ellen? We're done, right?
Yep, I think so.
I think we're done for today.
Thanks for joining us.
Say goodbye, Maria.
Bye, Maria.
Now, Tyler said how we close this out.
Hey, Bookie.
All right, so we wait. See, this is the stream going out. We wait.
Oh, you like to be on this camera?
I can't believe you got the dog in there. She's looking for a piece of that $3,000 we won today. She's like some dog bones or a dog treat.
Are we off?
We are not.
Oh.
You got to see the dog there?
You're a good girl. Mom, I'm going to feed you now. We're off? I don't know.
Yep. There we go. That ended it. All right. Great show.